What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you something I am so excited about, but before I get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. So here it is, guys. It's RODO Token. That's RODO Token.com. Now this is the website, super simplistic, and it has all the prices on there and the charts that you need. But what I want to do is take you into the white paper where it's going to show you an overview of what this project is. There's no point me showing you the price of this now if you don't even know what it does. All right, so let me jump straight there. Here's the white paper, guys. You can actually download it in a PDF, and all the links are going to be down below. So they need to get to the next level, and they can only do that through the people. Okay, so a quick brief of what this is. It's a clever solution for both sides of the market. The investors and the traders, they can both benefit. So the traders receive professional data, solutions, and free add-ons for their favorite trading platforms. A bit like NinjaTrader, Syria Chart, MotiveWave, Adders, all coming in at once. All right, traders can manage their positions from their platforms directly in Uniswap using the APIs, and traders can enjoy the power of the token intraday price. Now, talking about the investors, right? The investors in RODO Token can earn good profits in both directions, whether that's the liquidity pool providers with the AIS or when the AI is making money for operations. For example, if they have 1% weight from the overall portfolio, at the end of the month after audit, the overall AI portfolio was $1 million, the investor is going to redeem $10,000. That's incredible. So the investors in RODO Token can earn good profits when they're liquidity providers, and they can earn profits when the price changes just by holding their position. All right, but that is something very important too. RODO Token isn't just created for holding. Now, there's no pump, no dump schemes, no crypto whales, no market manipulation, no fake volume, nothing like that. It's purely one market maker. That's the stakeholders. All RODO Token participants have fully access. It's all transparent quarterly audit reports that you can actually access as well. Okay, that's a quick overview of what this is. It's super exciting. Now let's get into a little bit more about the token. Now the token is RODO. Okay, it's a native token of the Rodopa Capital business. RODO AIS is the biggest wallet controlled by an artificial intelligence system and designed for following the latest trading, investing, marketing technologies, special for the needs of RODO Token. Okay, it has high and constant volatility, ensuring it. It's pump and dump protection, ensuring wide price ranges, generating random fractal price movements, preventing the price from being overbought, oversold, and price arbitrage between the trading pairs. Now, an industry overview, okay, world crypto adoption and trading, as you can see here, countries are scored on 3 metrics on this map. Okay, you can see from 0 all the way to 4. Vietnam's score of 1 is the only country above 0.4. So you can see how well the adoption is actually happening. All right, crypto.com on a global scale, as you can see, going higher and higher and higher. So it is adapting around the globe, everywhere. Okay, so now is the time. Although you can see online, maybe this is a bad time to get in, it's not. Now is the time to get in. Okay, 2021 was a big year for cryptocurrency, but what is going to happen at the end of 2022, maybe 2023, is going to blow people away, in my own opinion. Please remember the disclaimer. I'm going to go through a little bit of tokenomics now. So the token symbol we've already talked about is RODO. There's 50,000 in supply. It's an infinite, backed by a permanently locked asset in the DEX liquidity pools. It's on the Ethereum network, minting only for OTC details, burning only for the same again. Utility and governance has got that. It's ERC20, and it's on the official site, which is down below. Token distribution, you can see the amount going to the RODO team. Permanently locked is a huge chunk of that. Private sale getting on as well. And tokens for free trading is a very generous sum. You can see the percents here. So 55% of RODO to the USDC. RODO against ETH 20%. RODO against BTC 15%. And against SOL 10%. That's permanently locked assets. Okay, your investors' protection is massive. 80% in liquidity pools and 20% protection insurance. Moving on down, I want to show you the artificial intelligence system functions. So again, it's provided by the stakeholders, RODO, USDC, ETH, BTC, and SOL. Built-in functions, so ensuring high and constant volatility, pump dump protection, ensuring wide price ranges, all the things above. Okay, it's got day trading, swing trading, AIS stability control, and it's benefited by the activities of the stakeholders. Now, guys, you can actually get some seriously good trading possibilities with DEX tools, all right? That's what this is, and again, the links will be down below. It's dextools.io, and this is, you can see the RODO with WEF on here, so the price change going up. We're at 8.44483, moving on up. Okay, if you've ever used one of these before, I'm not going to teach you how to trade, but all of your different markers are on here. You've got your fibs, you've got everything you need to draw out your Ys, your triangles, everything you need for trading, okay? But please go and learn that from a professional. I'm not here to teach you trading. But the possibilities are great on here, okay? If you've never been on it before, it's super, super cool. And you can actually trade this coin, which is fantastic, all right? All the buy and sells that are coming in right now underneath, you can see live. Having a look at their Twitter, guys, got 25.4 thousand followers. It's at RODO Token, at RODO Token. Give them a massive follow, hit that button, let them know you're from this channel. Say, George sent me here, and let me know in the comments once you've done it. Again, the link's going to be down below. They post everything I'm talking about on there, the token distribution, the price of the token as it is live, and they've got loads of YouTube videos in different languages, okay? Super, super excited, so give them a massive follow and let them know you're from the channel. What I want you to pay close attention to on their Twitter is this announcement right here. So it's reducing the total supply from 250,000 tokens to 50,000 tokens. Now it's rejecting the phase 2 and 3 public sales. So there's only 12,000 free floating, as you can see in the diagram. So take that in, okay? Go on their Twitter and have a look at this exact announcement and take it in, have a look, do your own research. There you have it, guys. Rodo, I'm super, super excited, all right? If you need any more research in, please go and do it with all the links down below. I've had a blessed time giving you this. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell, and I will see you next time.